हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू टेस्टबुक सुपर कोचिंग फॉर रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? जी हाँ, आई एम ऑडिबल टू ऑल। सबको आवाज आ रही कि नहीं? एक बार बस कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल दीजिएगा एंड वी विल स्टार्ट विद द सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। रैपिड फायर सेशन हमारा है और एवरी सैटरडे हम इस रैपिड फायर सेशन में आपके साथ कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज के ऊपर बात करते हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज के ऊपर डिस्कस करते हैं। तो वही हमारा ये सेशन अभी आगे बढ़ेगा, इसी के ऊपर हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं। तो स्टार्ट करता हूं सेशन को। बट बिफोर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस सेशन, अगर कोई क्वेश्चंस, कोई क्वेरीज, कोई डाउट्स होंगे तो एक बार कमेंट सेक्शन में आपके क्वेश्चंस, क्वेरीज और डाउट्स को डाल दीजिएगा। नाउ इस रैपिड फायर सेशन में ऑफ कोर्स वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस फ्यू एमसीक्यूज। एक नियर अबाउट 20 टू 25 एमसीक्यूज होंगे जो हम इस रैपिड फायर में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सो नेक्स्ट 20 टू 30 मिनट्स ये सेशन चलेगा जहां पे आपको करंट अफेयर्स के इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज के आंसर करने हैं। यहाँ पे मिक्स क्वेश्चंस होंगे, कुछ मल्टी स्टेटमेंट क्वेश्चंस है, कुछ वन लाइनर क्वेश्चंस है। तो इन सारे सवालों के ऊपर, इन सारे क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर हम लोग बात करेंगे आज के हमारे इस लेक्चर में, आज के हमारे इस सेशन में। बिफोर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस सेशन, एक बार कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दीजिए, आई एम ऑडिबल टू यू ऑल और नॉट। एक बार आवाज आ रही कि नहीं आ रही है, ये भी एक बार कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल दीजिएगा। तो शुरू करते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं सेशन को, स्टार्ट करते हैं इस लेक्चर को। रैपिड फायर के अंदर बातचीत होगी एमसीक्यूज को लेके। तो शुरू करते हैं, ज्यादा वक्त ना जाया करते हो। बट बिफोर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस सेशन, आज के सेशन को स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो एक बार जल्दी से चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। ओके, तो शुरू करें, स्टार्ट करें। जी, सबसे पहला सवाल आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर ये रहा। सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाते हैं। इंडिया एंड विच कंट्री एग्रीड टू एक्सेलरेट द वाटर रिसोर्स एंड एनर्जी कोऑपरेशन। सो रिसेंटली इंडिया और किस कंट्री के बीच में एग्रीमेंट हुआ है वाटर रिसोर्स और एनर्जी कोऑपरेशन को लेके? इसका आंसर एक बार कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल दीजिएगा। कौन सी कंट्री और इंडिया है जिसके बीच में यह एग्रीमेंट साइन हुआ है? जी, आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज, हम बात करेंगे नेपाल। नेपाल और इंडिया के बीच में एग्रीमेंट साइन हुआ। अभी मंथ ऑफ नवंबर की बात है, 3 to 6 ऑफ नवंबर हमारी और नेपाल के बीच में कुछ मीटिंग्स हुई और इन दैट मीटिंग नेपाल एंड इंडिया डिसाइडेड टू हैव दिस एग्रीमेंट रिगार्डिंग द वाटर रिसोर्सेज। स्पेशली ये मेजर फोकस यहाँ पे है। एनर्जी कॉर्पोरेशन में वैसे भी हम उनको काफी दिनों से हेल्प कर रहे हैं, तो उसी के बीच में ये एग्रीमेंट साइन हुआ। तो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज डी, नेपाल की यहाँ पे बात करेंगे। चलो दूसरे सवाल की तरफ जाते हैं, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाते हैं। A proposal has been made by Australia to ban social media for children under. So recently ऑस्ट्रेलिया के द्वारा सोशल मीडिया में किस एज ग्रुप के नीचे वाले बच्चों को बैन करने का प्रपोजल रखा गया है। ऑफ कोर्स इस प्रपोजल को उनके पार्लियामेंट की परमिशन लगेगी, पर एंथनी अल्बनेजी जो फिलहाल ऑस्ट्रेलिया के प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, उनके द्वारा यह अनाउंसमेंट किया गया, उनके द्वारा ये पॉइंट मेंशन किया गया। तो जल्दी से एक बार आंसर कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल दीजिए, एग्जैक्टली कौन से एज ग्रुप की बात की है। जी हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया, सही जवाब यहाँ पे 16 इयर्स एंड लेस की बात की है ऑस्ट्रेलिया के द्वारा। एब्सोल्यूट ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर इज द करेंसी। एंथनी अल्बनेजी सर यहाँ पे प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, तो उन्हीं की गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा रिसेंटली अनाउंसमेंट किया गया है। सो ऑस्ट्रेलिया फिलहाल एज वेरिफिकेशन सिस्टम को टेस्ट कर रही है। एक बार वो सिस्टम सही तरीके से वर्क कर जाए तो फिर इसे इंप्लीमेंट करने में कोई भी दिक्कत, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू फेस। सो दैट्स द पॉइंट हियर। विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The next question, question number 3. The government has doubled the penalties for farmers involved in stubble burning. The farmers with less than 2 acres of the land holding will have to pay. So basically 3 categories के अंदर ये पेनल्टी मेंशन की है स्टबल बर्निंग के लिए। तो जो स्टबल बर्निंग हो रही जिसकी वजह से देयर इज अ ह्यूज एयर पोल्यूशन इश्यूज इन द नॉर्थ इंडिया, स्पेशली दिल्ली एनसीआर रीजन. सो फॉर दैट रीजन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया डबल्ड द पेनल्टी. सो द क्वेश्चन इज, those farmers having less than 2 acres of land holding, for them how much is the new penalty? Yes, answer of this particular question is, चलो इसके आंसर की तरफ जाते हैं. So answer of this question is 5,000 rupees. So earlier it was 2,500 rupees. Now it's been increased to 5,000 rupees for the farmers. So let's see what is the exact criteria. So the farmers having less than 2 acres of land holding, for them it will be 5,000. The farmers having the land holding between 2 to 5 acres will be having 10,000, and the farmers having land above 5 acres they need to pay 30,000. So 5,000, 10,000, 30,000. This is the 3-layer system for penalty, especially for this stubble burning in the northern region of the country. So that is another important factor which was in news recently. We'll go to next question. The next question. on your screen. Which bank has launched the e-bank guarantee facility? So e-bank guarantee, this concept was introduced in year 2022 in India. E-bank guarantee, through that with online ways you can get the guarantee from the banks. So mostly business entities are using this e-bank guarantee concept. So earlier there was a physical bank guarantee for which kind of a very tedious job, काफी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग जॉब था, बट इसे अभी थोड़ा सा इजी कर दिया ई बैंक गारंटी के साथ. Many banks like HDFC initiated this e-bank guarantee concept, then many banks enrolled into that. Recently, Punjab and Sindh Bank launched e-bank guarantee for the customer. So recently, Punjab and Sindh Bank is into this. So answer of this question is D. D यहाँ पे आंसर बनेगा. Please answer in the comment section so that it's a rapid fire round. So obviously in the rapid fire round, if people are going to participate, you are going to answer will be much better. Galat hua to hua. If it is wrong, it's okay, fine, nothing to worry about that. But it's a practice kind of a session. So please put your answer into the comment section. So Punjab and Sindh Bank is the government of India's bank. Now the most important thing is that the National E-Governance Service Limited is the back office authority for this e-bank guarantee. So what are the banks are issuing the e-bank guarantee? This National E-Governance Service Limited plays a vital role for this. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Supreme Court ordered the liquidation of which of the following on failure of resolution plan? So recently, Supreme Court ordered liquidation of which of the following company? This company was not facing this company is facing actually many issues from the year 2020, and before that actually company tried to make some changes, try to survive itself, but unfortunately they were not. In 1992, this company was created, one of the topmost company in the Indian airline industry, but unfortunately it failed miserably. Now Supreme Court asked for the complete liquidation of this company, and answer is of course Jet Airways. So Jet Airways, the Supreme Court finally ordered that now liquidation should be there. Liquidation means they are going to sell off everything so that the employees will get some funds and the lenders who gave the money to this company, they will also get some funds. So there was a resolution plan. There was a plan that some promoters will run this institution, some promoters will run this company, but unfortunately it was not that good. So finally Supreme Court decided to allow the liquidation of this. So answer of this question is Jet Airways. Absolutely right. Yes, we will go to the next question. Sultanganj railway station would be renamed after Ajgabenath Dham. This railway station is located in which state? So recently the state government or the deputy CM of this state announced that renaming of the station. Renaming of stations, renaming of the cities is a very common concept in India. So basically the question is from which state? Recently it was in news. Yes, answer of this question is Bihar. It is from Bihar, and the renaming was recently announced by the government of Bihar. Yes, absolutely very good answer. We'll go to the next question. Supreme Court restored which or whose powers to recover dues under the Custom Act? So which of the following authority got the power by the Supreme Court? Earlier, Supreme Court itself decided to seize the power from this authority, but now Supreme Court changed its own decision and decided to provide the power to this custom authority to collect some monies, to collect some penalties, to collect some funds. So which authority got the permission right now by the Supreme Court? Answer is DRI officers. So what is DRI officers? We'll talk about that. So Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. So they earlier in 2021 Supreme Court seized their power, but now Supreme Court overturned its own decision and they gave the power to this DRI, that is called Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. So the case was going on in Supreme Court, and under that case, under review petition, this decision was taken by the Honorable Supreme Court. Next, Ministry of Tourism participated in the World Travel Mart in. So Ministry of Tourism recently decided to participate into the World Travel Mart. So this World Travel Mart is organized in which of the following city? Paris, London, New Delhi, Dubai. Of course, none of the above. So in which city it was organized? This is the question in front of you. Yes, guys, put your answer into the comment section. फटाफट इनके आंसर कमेंट सेक्शन में डालिएगा. रैपिड फायर राउंड है, जल्दी जल्दी आंसर कीजिए. वी नीड टू कवर near about 25 questions in the 25 minutes. So yes, what can be the answer of this? So World Travel Mart is organized in London, and every year World Travel Mart will be organized in London only, and government of India is participating. Tell me, who is the tourism minister of India? Who is the tourism minister of India? Please put his name into the comment section. Let's see how many are going to answer that. So who is the tourism minister of India? Please put your answer into the comment section. I'll go to the next part. Now, from the 5th to 7th of November, it was organized in London, and every year, basically, we are organizing this in London. India is very famous for the tourism, no doubt about that. When it comes to Asia Pacific region, Kerala is the topmost state when it comes to the tourism. So Kerala tourism got many awards, as well as Madhya Pradesh, and the Gujarat tourism is also very famous these days. Government of India in the budget created a spiritual tourism policies recently. That was also a very important factor for the exam. Okay. Please put your answer into comment section regarding the tourism minister of India. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat sir is the minister. Very good, Abhi. Absolutely right answer. Kokorali Simons has released the World University Ranking Asia 2025, which has secured the top spot under the Southern Asian category. South Asian category, in South Asia from Afghanistan till the Maldives, the countries are there. In this category, which of the institution is the topmost institution? When it comes to world level ranking, MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology is at the top. When it comes to India, as well as the Southern Asian region, which IIT is at the top? IIT Delhi, Kanpur, Mumbai, or the Madras? So IIT Delhi is at the top when it comes to Southern region or the Southern Asian region. Southern Asian, that is SAARC countries, and in SAARC country we calculate from the Afghanistan till the Maldives. So Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. These are the South Asian countries. So IIT Delhi is at the top. Overall ranking of IIT Delhi is 44. 44 is the IIT Delhi's rank. In top 100, we have 3 Indian institutions: IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, and IIT Madras. They are into top 100 categories according to Kokorali Simons. Kokorali Simons is a London-based institution, and they gave this data. So very good answer. We'll go to the next question. Which edition of Indian Military Heritage Festival started in New Delhi? Indian Military Heritage Festival, inaugurated by CDS, Chief of Defence Staff, General Anil Chauhan sir. He inaugurated this Indian Heritage or Military Heritage Festival. So regarding the India's Shaurya Gathas, regarding the India's bravery stuff, so everything is well presented in this heritage festival. So last year it was started for the first time, and it was a second edition. It's a second edition which was inaugurated recently by the Chief of Defence Staff of India. So yes, answer is the B over here. Remember that. Of course, here there will be, like last year it was inaugurated by the India's Raksha Mantri, India's Defense Minister. This time inaugurated by the CDS Anil Chauhan sir. That's it. We'll go to next question. This is a multi-statement question with 4 options. Yes, 4 options are there, but anyways will be really very crucial. So multi-statement question is here regarding Reserve Bank Climate Risk Information System. So very easy question for you. You need to answer about Reserve Bank Climate Risk Information System. It aims to bridge the gap in climate-related data that is currently available in fragmented manner. It will have the web-based directory and data portal of regulated entities to ensure the smooth adoption. So which statement is correct here? The last time, in the month of October, when there was a monetary policy, that time our RBI governor talked about this CRIS system, RB CRIS system, that is Climate Risk Information System. So answer of this question is both the pointers are right. It aims to bridge the gap between the climate related data that is currently available, and it will have the web-based directory and data portal for regulated entities to ensure the smooth adoption. So both the pointers are absolutely correct when it comes to this particular news. So RB CRIS is the platform announced by Reserve Bank of India. We'll go to the next question. The next question on your screen. Ni-kshay Poshan Yojana is a government of India scheme for TB, for the eradication of TB. We have the timeline of 2025, 2025 का timeline हमारे पास है, where we want to remove or we want to make the India TB free. So for that reason, we have two statements over here. It is a direct benefit transfer scheme under the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program. It provides financial incentive of the 10,000 per month for each notified tuberculosis patient for duration for which the patient is on the anti-TB treatment. So what can be the answer of this? Only one is correct. Second is also correct. 1 and 2 is also correct. Neither 1 nor 2. So what do you think? What can be the answer of this question? Yes, guys, try it out. गलत हुआ तो हुआ. Try कीजिए. Ni-kshay Yojana we have, and Ni-kshay Poshan Yojana, in which the TB patients will get the nutritional support over here. Answer of this question is only 1. Second statement is wrong because 10,000 nahi, we are providing the financial support of 1,000. 1,000 ka financial support hai. Earlier we used to give the financial support of 500 rupees. Now it is being increased to 1,000 rupees by the government of India. So it's very, very important. Soumya Swaminathan ma'am is an advisor to government of India right now to eradicate TB from India. So we set a timeline of 2025 to eradicate this disease from India. We'll go to the next question. Next question on your screen regarding the PM Internship Scheme, which was recently announced by Government of India. And this scheme was first time mentioned in the Union Budget 2024. So official announcement is done by Government of India recently about PM Internship Scheme. Scheme provides insurance coverage under PM Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana upon the enrollment. The graduates from premier institutes like IITs, IIMs are eligible for the internship. The scheme is available only to candidates that whose family income does not exceed 8 lakh annually. So what do you think? What can be the answer of this question? Yes, guys, try it out. So what can be the answer? PM Internship Scheme was in news recently. Yes, the top 500 companies of India being asked by Government of India to be the part of this internship scheme. So Government of India will scrutinize the candidates, then the companies will scrutinize the candidates, and they are going to offer them internship for 1 year. 5,000 rupees will be the stipend for 1 year per month. Obviously 5,000 rupees they are going to get, plus 6,000 rupees one-time settlement will be provided. Answer of this question is the first point is absolutely right. So if you are becoming the part of this PM Internship Scheme, you also will be eligible for Bima Suraksha and the Suraksha Bima Yojana. You are going to get that. Second statement is wrong. If you are from IITs and IIMs, you will not be eligible for this. If you are from IIT and IIM, of course you are going to get the internship or the job under any kind of circumstances. But who are not from the IIT and IIM, they are only eligible for this. Another thing, the third statement is right. The scheme is available only to candidates whose family income does not exceed 8 lakh rupees. So answer is 1 and 3 is the answer of this question. So answer is A over here. Second statement is wrong for this PM Internship Scheme. Okay, next is the Dharti Aaba Janjatiya Gram Utkarsh Abhiyan, which was recently launched by the Prime Minister of India in Jharkhand, Hazaribagh. So again, the scheme was mentioned in the Union Budget 2024, and now Government of India officially launched the scheme. The question is about Dharti Aaba Janjatiya Gram Suraksha Abhiyan. Near about 63,000 villages will be focused under this particular scheme, and focus will be mostly on the infrastructure, health, education, economic development. That will be the major criteria for this particular scheme. Again, this scheme is not for scheduled caste. This scheme is for scheduled tribe, not for the scheduled caste. Scheme is for the scheduled tribe. Dharti Aaba, this concept is not given by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. This concept is given by Birsa Munda ji. So Birsa Munda talked about this concept, and the third statement is right. It is focusing on social infrastructure, health, education, as well as economic development. So answer of this question is only 1. How many statements are correct? So only 1 statement is correct. Other 2 statements are wrong when it comes to this particular question. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Asia Power Index was in news recently. Asia Power Index, this concept, under this concept, India's rank is 3rd. So we recently surpassed Japan to become the 3rd powerful country. So question is regarding that, a very simple question. Obviously, Asia Power Index is very much in news everywhere, in normal media, in the newspaper media, in the social media, as well as when it comes to our notes. So tell me, so what is the answer of this question? Yes, answer is, look, this is given by Lowy. Lowy is the name of the institution from Australia. They gave this data, not given by the ADB. ADB is not the provider of this particular report. Lowy Institute, which is from the Australia, they gave this data. Now, India become the third powerful country by surpassing Japan, not USA. Not USA. So answer is neither one nor two. USA is at the top of this report. USA, then China, and then India, then Japan, then Russia. So in that way, these are the rankings basically. So USA is at the top. USA is not from Asia, but still it is the most powerful country when it comes to the Asian region. So US, China, India, Japan, and Russia. This is the ranking under this Lowy Institute's Asia Power Index recently. Next question is a very simple. Humsafar Policy was recently given by which of the following minister? So this policy is about the national highway and development of the wayside amenities. For that purpose, this policy is being created. So exactly which minister gave this policy or which minister suggested this policy? Jaldi se answer comment section mein dal dijiyega. Yeah, let's see how many are going to answer this. Amit Shah, Nitin Gadkari, Atishi, V.K. Saxena, both C and D. Of course, answer is Nitin Gadkari sir, because he's a road and transport minister and the policy is about the national highways to provide the basic amenities, to provide the roadside amenities on national highways. For that purpose, this policy is being created by the government of India. Now next, PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan District version has been launched in how many aspirational districts? PM Gati Shakti is one of the topmost policy of government of India. Aspirational district, this concept is by Niti Aayog. So recently Niti Aayog and the PM Gati Shakti, they decided to launch this policy or the version of the policy for some aspirational district. Totally, we have 112 aspirational district and 500 aspirational blocks. That is the total number of this aspirational means backward district and the backward blocks given by Niti Aayog. So recently the version of PM Gati Shakti is launched only for 27 aspirational district. So 27 aspirational district being focused by the Niti Aayog for this PM Gati Shakti version. Again, remember, total we have 112 aspirational district according to Niti Aayog. That's it. Next, which of the following banks take purchases in Future Generali India? Insurance and Future Generali India life insurance has been approved by CCI. CCI is Competition Commission of India. Competition Commission of India works under Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Nirmala Sitharaman ji is the Corporate Affairs Minister. Competition Commission of India is headed by Ravneet Kaur ma'am. In 2003, we created Competition Commission of India, which is a kind of a regulatory institution for the company's law, for the company's act. This authority is responsible to give permission if some mergers are happening, some takeovers are happening, or some share purchasing is happening. So recently, Future Generali, they try to sell some stakes of their insurance companies, life as well as general insurance company, to which bank? So answer is Bank of Baroda. Okay, sorry, I guess यहाँ पे थोड़ा एक point यहाँ पे गलत हो गया कि yes, Central Bank of India is the answer of this question. Okay, so that is the case, but sorry, okay, यहाँ पे master stroke is the concept came over here. Master stroke, again, remember, master stroke saving account is a new saving account created by Bank of Baroda. Sachin Tendulkar is the brand ambassador of master stroke saving accounts. Remember that point also. That is also very, very crucial. So answer is Central Bank for that question. This is another point. Okay, I guess the question is being deleted from the presentation, but not an issue. Master stroke is created by Bank of Baroda. Sachin Tendulkar, this master stroke concept is for the high profile customers of the Bank of Baroda. So for them, it was launched recently. Anyways, we'll go to the next question. Manoj Kumar Dubey assumed the charge of CMD and CEO of which of the following institution? So Manoj Kumar Dubey recently become the CMD and CEO of which of the following institution? NTPC, NHPC, ONGC, NPCIL, and IRFC. So which institution is there? Give me the answer of this. Yes, Manoj Dubey sir become the IRFC. So that is called as a Indian Railway Finance Corporation. Indian Railway Finance Corporation is a government of India's institution, comes under Railway Ministry, and the new head of IRFC's Manoj Kumar Dubey sir. That will be the case. We'll go to the next question. It's a very easy question. The question is regarding the Nobel Economics Prize. Everyone should answer this question. Nobel Economics Prize was recently announced in the last month. This time this prize is given to the economist for institutional framework and its benefit for the wealth creation, for the wealth or the prosperity basically. So answer is just all the three. Okay, 1, 2 and 3, all these three got this award. So how institutions are formed and affect the prosperity, that is the main reason. So Darren Acemoglu, then Simon Johnson and James Robinson, these three economists got this award recently. Now, Cabinet recently approved the MSP for Rabi crops for 25-26. The MSP for wheat has been increased by how much per quintal? For the NABARD type of exam, this is really very crucial. This is really very important. So what do you think? What can be the answer of this question? Again, Cabinet recently approved the MSP for Rabi crops for 25-26 season. The MSP for wheat has been increased by how many rupees per quintal? Yes, answer of this question is 150 rupees per quintal is for the wheat. The maximum amount is given to the mustard. Mustard got the highest MSP this time. So 300 rupees and 150 for the wheat. So remember that is a important factor. So yes, guys, that's all from my side for the day. That was a rapid fire. So every Saturday we are going to cover this rapid fire. I hope you people will participate with more enthusiasm from the next Saturday. So every Saturday we are covering this session for 25 to 30 minutes. Our major focus is that we can cover maximum current affairs MCQs and some static MCQ at the same time. So from the next time we'll make some little bit innovation that rather than putting some options, will directly ask you the question without option. So let's see how many are going to answer that also. So every Saturday, remember, this will be the ritual for us that we are going to cover this session. So that's all, guys, from my side. On Monday, there will be 2 sessions, one at 9 a.m. regarding the current affairs session and 6 p.m. regarding the PIB. So we'll see you both those sessions on Monday. Till that time, bye-bye. Take care.